Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your username on the Disney Speedstorm game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Disney Speedstorm on your device, and once you are taken into the main menu, in order to change your username, just tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. This will now take you into your profile page. From here, tap on Edit Info at the right side, and now this will take you into your username section. In order to change your name, just type in your desired player name within the Enter a Player Name box. After entering your desired name, tap on the Confirm button, and now your username has successfully been changed. After this, you will see a warning letting you know that you will need to wait another 7 days in order to change this once again. Now you can go back and start playing with your new username right away, and only after 7 days you will be allowed to change this once again. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your username on the Disney Speedstorm game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.